If you are thinking that watching this video, you can generate thumbnails like this, and this, without doing a little bit of editing, you can leave this video now. The truth is, as of now, fully accurate thumbnail generating through AI or Quack AI thumbnail generators remains challenging. If you search in YouTube AI thumbnail, you will see lots of videos, but in all videos you will find they are using paid tools like Midjourney plus lots of Photoshops and editing, or some people in the name of AI thumbnail showing alternative of Canva. But the real truth is, till now it's not possible to generate AI thumbnail. To generate fully accurate thumbnails using with AI, or many AI thumbnails like generate this but you can make the same thumbnail with a few little bits of edits with Canva. So how? I do the first of all, I'm not a designer, and also I don't know. I know there are lots of people out there who generate damn good attractive thumbnail. What I do just copy the idea and thumbnail pro who I kit edit and add some ingredients, and my thumbnail is always ready. Now how you can do it? With the help of AI I'm doing on my PC, you can do same thing on your phone. First, find a YouTube video thumbnail that is related to your topics. Go to the YouTube and search for video idea. I searched it AI tool for making YouTube videos. You can see here this thumbnail is looking attractive. Then copy the videos link and go to this website. It's basically called by YouTube thumbnail downloader.com. And here we do paste the link. After paste again and download the thumbnail. After downloading thumbnail, go to this side and then remove the object on from the images and download it. After doing this, go to the feature and select background remover and remove background of all objects you want in the thumbnail. Now here is secret hack. If you are finding a background image for to see in YouTube, how you will do it? Let's see. I like this YouTube thumbnail background. Download the thumbnail and crop it. After cropping, visit this site. This site is basically named by Bing.com and upload your image. And here you can see it find me the images for search a little bit. You will find it. Continue our thumbnail journey. After this, go to the site called Get Image. The reason I use that because it's free and generate good images. It's site called begetting.ai and upload the pic that you remove the background. Now you need the prompt. Go to this website, type the idea you want to make the image. In my case, I want to make it a robot. Let's try to generate a good prompt. So after a few times, you try and errors. Now I get my desired by prompt. Copy this prompt and go back to the same site and paste simply the prompt. After generating some images result, if you want desired result, you want just the image as a reference and generate more images. After you got a result, open Canva and then edit little by place objects here for some there and add text to thumbnail is ready. From following same steps, you can generate thumbnails like this and this. You know you can generate 100 YouTube shorts in just 10 minutes. Watching this video, I given a below link in the I button and description, and please subscribe my channel if you like this video is helpful for you.